Hi, I'm Mr. Hughes, and I would like to teach you how to become a still life photographer. Now, you might be thinking, but Mr. Hughes, I don't have a camera, so how can I be a photographer? Well, you do have a camera. It's your phone, because I know you always take selfies. So, you can use a phone, or you could even use your Chromebook. It would be tricky, but you can do it. Hi guys, welcome to my laundry room. So I'm going to make a still life out of objects from the laundry room. So here I go. I'm gonna go with the Downy ball. I'm gonna go with the OxyClean. This Downy, whatever you call this stuff. And wrinkle releaser, so that you can set the wrinkles free. And I'm also going to grab, what else we got here? Tide pens. Don't need them. That looks pretty good. Let's go with this, because it's big. And I'm going to arrange these and just take a picture of them. Okay, so maybe I'm gonna do like, this looks good, so I think I'm just gonna like put these in like an arrangement like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a picture of it with my phone. Now I could take a picture of it with my Chromebook. Okay, so here's my Chromebook, starting it up. Okay, so I've got my Chromebook, it's turned on. I'm gonna open up the camera app, and if I click this little launcher at the bottom and type the letter C, it'll come up. Now this is gonna be tough because the camera's facing me, but I'm gonna try this. So I'm gonna, of course, set the 3-second timer. So that's on. And then I'm going to line up the shot like how I want it to look. Then drag the mouse and hit the button. And that worked. Here, I'll show you. See if you can see my screen. That didn't come out too bad. So, yeah, you can take a photo with your Chromebook. It's way easier with the phone, though. But this setup, this is boring. So how could I arrange this differently so it's less boring? Well, that's where the principles of art come in, okay? So if I take a look at these and I decide that I'm going to use asymmetry, I want it to be asymmetrical. So I got the biggest thing here, and I'm gonna crowd the small ones over here. And that can make an asymmetrical image. Or I could go with symmetrical balance, okay? So I want these to be the same on both sides, so I could put the big guy in the middle and the OxyClean facing that way, the Downy facing the opposite way, put this right in the center, and put the 2 Tide pens like that. And now it's symmetrical, same on the left and the right. Oh, I also want to show you that looks pretty nice. But what if I come in even closer? Or try a low angle. Or try a high angle. But if I want to go really fancy, I could make a radial pattern. Okay, so I'm going to put this circle in the center, okay, because radial are things that come out of the center. And put this Tide pen like this, pointing at it. And I'll have this Tide pen point to it. And I will have this squirt bottle pointing at it. And this squirt bottle pointing at it. And let me find something else. Here we go. And this looks terrible from this angle, but check out how different it looks if I do this. Stop it. Low on disk space.
So yeah, you can take a picture of the Chromebook. It is way easier with the phone though.
Hey, what are you doing? You can't eat beans, boy.